Soaring above Kujukushima Bay, the Eagle revealed a sweeping panorama of scattered islets, a view we captured in our previous video. The closest way to replicate that bird's-eye perspective is with a drone, gliding high over the archipelago.
Yet for travelers aboard the tourist vessels, there is another vantage point, the crow's nest. Though far lower than the heights of an eagle or drone, this raised lookout remains a favorite spot. Passengers climb up when permitted and safe, or simply gaze upward, finding in its perch both a playful photo opportunity and a lofty glimpse across the bay.
From the Pearl Queen's crow's nest, the bay unfolds in all its splendor, an elevated perch where the horizon stretches wide and the scattered islets shimmer below. It's here that the journey turns into a spectacle, inviting us to pause and savor the view from above.
During the cruise, an audio guide in Chinese, Korean, English, and Japanese narrated the story of the islets and the traditions of fishery farming surrounding them.
Right of the boat that looked like the stone guardian dogs placed in front of shrines. The rocks were formed after several thousand years of erosion by waves, giving you a sense of the passing of time.
In November, sunset cruises pause, and the final departure is at 3 p.m., the one we joined, still offering glimpses of the fading light along the journey.